Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Zoom using the desktop version. Signing up for Zoom is a simple process, and once you are done, you will be all set to start using Zoom for your meetings and virtual events. So, let's get started. First of all, open the Zoom desktop app. On the home screen, you will see options to join a meeting, sign in, and sign up. Click on sign up, then Zoom will ask you to confirm your birth year, enter your birth year, and then click on continue. After that, Zoom will ask for your email address. You can use your personal email or work email for the sign up. Once you have entered it, click on continue. Zoom will send you a verification email with a code. Check your email and enter the code, then click on verify. After verifying your email, you'll be ready to complete your registration. Next, fill in your first name, last name, and set up a unique password. You can tick the checkbox if you are signing up on the behalf of a school or another organization that provides educational services to children under the age of 18. Then, click on continue. Once that's done, you are all set to use Zoom for your virtual meetings. And that's it. Now you know how to sign up for Zoom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.